Proponents of statins and most doctors are correct that cholesterol is a significant component of arterial plaque. But contrary to popular belief, cholesterol alone does not spontaneously generate arterial plaque, even if your blood levels are high. The formation of arterial plaque only occurs in the presence of vascular injuries, which are like tiny cuts scattered across the inner lining of your cardiovascular system. Unfortunately, once repaired, cholesterol can accumulate at these injury sites, which then leads to arterial plaque formation. Now, these vascular injuries occur every single time your heart pumps. Your blood cells act like millions of tiny knives, damaging the lining inside your arteries and veins. Your blood has a certain sharpness to it. It's called shear rate, which is a measurement of how easily your blood slides back and forth inside your cardiovascular system. The healthier you are, the softer or less sharp your blood is. But risk factors like diabetes, high blood pressure, and poor lifestyle choices like smoking, sugar intake, and regular alcohol consumption can increase your blood sharpness, or in technical terms, they increase the shear rate of your blood. So the real culprit here is sharp blood and eventual vascular injury, not cholesterol on its own. Studies have actually shown that even if your blood cholesterol levels are low, arterial plaque can still form if there is a lot of vascular injury. So to wrap this up, I made a list of a few simple things you can do starting today, which will soften your blood and improve your overall cardiovascular health. Avoid processed foods, especially simple sugar. Quit smoking, obviously, and vaping is not a healthy alternative. Exercise regularly. Maintain a healthy weight, limit or completely eliminate alcohol consumption, and finally, if you've watched me before, you know that I support taking certain supplements, especially enzymes like nattokinase. You can literally make your blood softer with this enzyme. Unlike the former recommendations that prevent an increase in your blood's sharpness, nattokinase has been shown to decrease shear rate, effectively softening the blood and decreasing your risk for vascular injury. I'll leave several studies about this in the description below. In the end, in my opinion, the key focus should be on preventing vascular injury rather than simply targeting cholesterol reduction. If you enjoyed this clip and you want to watch the whole video, click right here. If you want to watch a new video, click right here.